Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to install DoorDash Dasher app on your Android or iPhone devices. If you are interested in becoming a DoorDash delivery person, this tutorial will be of great help to you. The first thing we need to do is open the App Store on our device. For Android, we open the Play Store, and for iPhone, we open the App Store. Once in the App Store, we use the search bar and type DoorDash Dasher. Make sure you select the correct app, as there are other apps related to DoorDash. It is important to have prior knowledge about the application before installing it. Read the description, check the reviews, and make sure you understand how the application works and what requirements it has. Once you are sure and ready to install the application, press the Install button. The download and installation will begin automatically. This may take a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. Once the application has successfully installed, you can press the Open button or look for the DoorDash Dasher icon on your home screen. And that's it. You've learned how to install the DoorDash Dasher app on your Android or iPhone device. Now you're one step closer to becoming a DoorDash delivery driver and start making deliveries. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and good luck on your deliveries.